Hey gang, Jesse here at EC Auto Repair. Wanted to visit with you for just a hot minute about timing chains and how they work on some of these newer vehicles. So a lot of the later model vehicles have super tight emissions controls. The EPA just keeps raising the bar on what these vehicles have to do. Manufacturers, the consumers are also pushing back, wanting more fuel efficiency, wanting more horsepower, more fuel efficiency, more is really what the answer is. And so a basic engine that 40 years ago was very straightforward is now actually a super complicated machine nowadays. We have a timing chain, we have cam phasers, we have VVT solenoids, we have phasers and solenoids that have screens in them, and honestly, running the wrong weight of oil can actually do severe damage to your vehicle. So important to use the correct oil. We also use the BG services with our oil changes. I run that in every one of my vehicles. I believe in the product. I've been using it for years and years and years. I've seen so many times where we've been able to make a customer's vehicle run for the life that they wanted to keep the vehicle. So on these newer vehicles, it's so important that that system be cleaned up. You can't just drain the oil and put new oil in and expect everything to be okay. The VVT solenoids and the cam phasers, they desire so much more. They need so much more cleanliness. They need more efficiency. So we're going to put this cleaner in this EPR as part of a 3-part kit. We actually have packages that have this included in our oil change prices, but we'll run this cleaner through it. And just like putting laundry detergent in a load of laundry, we're going to put this in your old oil, and we're going to run the car for about 15 minutes and let it get all the sludge, carbon buildup, and all the things that's not oil washed out of that engine whenever we drain the oil. We'll then install the new oil, the new filter, and we'll install this can of MOA. MOA is an oil conditioner. It makes the oil slicker. It's going to give those cam phasers and those VVT solenoids the lubricity they need to operate correctly. There's also a property within this MOA that is super impactful in the fact that it reduces sludge buildup. It creates a sludge resistance and carbon buildup. Therefore, we're able to go longer on an oil change. Most of these oil changes are rated for 10,000 miles, and we're able to drain out cleaner oil and get more life expectancy out of the car. There's actually more that it does for the engine on the inside, as far as with the piston rings, the valve seals, all the different things. But in a nutshell, I like to refer to the MOA as basically like the fabric softener. You do a lot of laundry, you're going to put laundry detergent in it. It normally makes sense. Then when it gets to the rinse cycle, if you want your clothes to come out feeling nice and soft and smelling fresh, then you're going to put the fabric softener, the fabric conditioner in there. And then of course we got the 44K, and what we do is we dump this into the fuel tank, into a full tank of fuel. We do this with every oil change. The fuel conditioner is actually going to clean and lubricate the fuel system. A lot of the fuel systems nowadays no longer have a fuel filter in that system. They simply have a fuel filter sock inside the pump. The fuel injectors can actually get resistance from fuel buildup, lack of lubricity. 44K goes in there and it cleans all those deposits from fuel and from carbon buildup out of the engine. This by far will enhance the life of your engine.